Imagine a world where, as far as the eye can see, there's nothing but an endless sea of white ice. A world where massive glaciers slowly move down from the mountains toward the ocean, and the thunderous sound of giant walls of ice breaking apart echoes across the landscape. Even in the middle of summer, the air can still feel bitterly cold. And during winter, the sun itself can disappear beyond the horizon for long periods of time. This incredible world is Greenland. Greenland and Iceland, just hearing those two names makes it feel like nature somehow switched them by mistake. But while that's a popular idea, the real history is a little more complicated. Iceland has plenty of ice, while Greenland sounds like it should be covered in endless green fields. Yet the reality is almost the exact opposite. In fact, historians believe that the name Greenland may have been part of a Viking strategy to make this new land sound more appealing to potential settlers. But behind that name lies a world far more incredible than you might imagine. Greenland is the largest island on Earth, and much of it is covered by a massive sheet of ice that has accumulated over thousands of years. From above, it looks as if someone placed an enormous white kingdom right in the middle of the Arctic. But Greenland's ice isn't simply sitting there frozen in place. Massive glaciers slowly flow down from the mountains toward the sea. And when huge sections of that ice break away and crash into the ocean, they create something spectacular: icebergs, enormous mountains of ice floating across the sea. But Greenland's beauty isn't just about white ice. During the summer, as the ice begins to melt, the water forms countless small streams. Those streams come together, carving bright blue rivers and waterways through the frozen landscape. The contrast between the pure white ice and the deep blue water is so stunning, it looks almost like a giant painting created by nature itself. And surrounding Greenland are countless fjords, narrow stretches of ocean that cut deep into the mountains. Towering cliffs, deep blue water, and enormous icebergs come together to create some of the most breathtaking scenery on Earth. Then winter arrives, bringing some of the harshest weather imaginable. But at night, Greenland can transform into something completely different. Green, blue, and purple lights dance across the dark Arctic sky, creating the northern lights. It almost feels as if the universe itself is painting across the sky. Then comes summer, and Greenland takes on another completely different personality. In some parts of the island, the sun stays above the horizon for incredibly long periods of time. The light of the midnight sun falls across the ice, mountains, and ocean, creating a landscape that looks almost unreal. But Greenland isn't just a story about breathtaking beauty. It's also one of the most important places on Earth for understanding climate change. As Greenland's massive ice sheet loses ice, the meltwater contributes to rising sea levels, which can affect coastal communities around the world. That's why Greenland represents the past, the present, and potentially the future of our planet, all at the same time. This isn't simply an island covered in ice. It's a living record of thousands of years of history, a land of massive glaciers and drifting icebergs, and a powerful reminder of nature's incredible strength. And if you want to discover more of the world's most mysterious, beautiful, and unbelievable places, hit that like button, drop a comment telling us where we should explore next, and subscribe to the channel for more incredible documentaries. Because the bigger our planet is, the bigger its mysteries become.